Warning: the following program contains stunts performed by professional degenerates. Viewer discretion is advised.
Ow, what the?
This is MTV Loving My Crib.
What you doing there, Dante?
Whoa. Popping the,
Yeah?
Yep, popping the door panel back in.
Nice.
Because it's, we got, oops. Whoa. Because we got the speaker in. Uh-oh. And all that stuff. So, this can go back in now. Oh, there's holes there. Uh-oh.
That's how you do it, people. It's a real mechanic at work. You just hit shit till it goes in.
Yeah, until it breaks.
Oh, that's all for now, folks. What you doing there, Dante?
Well, now that we got the carpet in, I'm greasing up the seat tracks so that they slide good. It's like this weird like door hinge.
Door crayon?
Lube stick crayon thing. It's kind of nasty there, but
Fun.
it's supposed to make it slide like smoothly and help protect it from like binding up or whatever. I don't know. We'll see how it works. It's called door ease. Even though these aren't doors, I figured it's the same concept of like metal rubbing on metal, so we'll find out.
Hey, Dante, it's 11:11. Make a wish.
Well, looks like it came true. You finally got out of the car and started filming.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thanks. Okay, so once we grease the tracks down here and the little retainer track in the front, I'm gonna grease the plastic parts that it runs on and like this little metal strip that slides through here. So it looks like I just gotta go on either side of this track. So like these notches are I guess determine where the seat position is. So it's, oops.
Uh-oh.
It's a pretty basic system.
All right. What's going on now, Dante?
I'm trying to, oops, put these seats back in to line them up in the tracks, which is frustrating.
Doing push-ups over there?
What?
Oh, I thought you were gonna start doing some
There we
push-ups.
Okay, so we got one in. Uh-oh. Looks like the carpet's in the way. This one sliding in. That's frustrating. Here we go.
What was that?
Huh?
What'd you say?
Don't worry about it.
Hmm.
Okay, cool. So that's in there.
Sliding into the DMs, like. Is that what you say?
What?
When you slide into the DMs?
Probably.
Just like Adam Levine.
Who?
Isn't that his name? Is it in?
Kind of, but it's binding on the carpet.
Uh-oh. Should have just left the carpet out.
Nope, there we go.
Hell yeah. Woo. One down. One to go. Actually, there's also no back seats, so.
All right. So I taste like bacon for some reason.
Ew.
So the seat's in and the tracks are lined up. Don't forget to put in these stopper screws so they come down here in the front. So right here,
Where?
right there.
Oh, right there.
Yeah. You have these little stopper screws that hold in the seat. So
Oh, all I see is your big hand. All right, got it.
So it's a little stopper screw. So when you pull the seat back, it doesn't just slide right out of the track. It actually just hits this little nut and bolt, and then it stops it, which is pretty sweet. Yeah, so that's one seat. I think you get the gist of it, so you don't need to watch me put the other one back in. You have to pay extra for this.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes. All right, so now the carpet's in, the front seats are in. Definitely looks a hell of a lot better with that in than it was before. Now really all we gotta do is put in the back seats and, you know, clean this up, put the boot back on so it doesn't look all ugly, clean up some of those wires and stuff, and then it's pretty good to go. I don't think I have the panels that cover this, so that's kind of lame on either side. I guess I could try to look for them like online somewhere. I don't know if anybody actually has them, but we might just leave it like that, unfortunately. But yes, almost done.